So when you have a new brand account, then this is what you see. So you got a blank slate, and over here on your channel profile, this is what you see. So if I were to go around and click on view channel on YouTube, then what happens is that this is how others would view it. So they will see an E right here, which is the first letter of example video channel right here. So usually what you want to do right here is you want to set up a profile picture for your channel. So to do that, you can go around over here onto customize channel. You can click on it once you go around onto your channel and click on continue right here. You get back onto YouTube Studio onto the customization option, as you can see right here. So even if you were on your dashboard, you can go around and click on customize right here. And then to change out your channel profile picture right here, you can click on branding. So over here, the first choice, as you can see, is the picture. So you can go around and click on upload, and you can see that it supports images that is at least 98 by 98 pixels and is 4 MB or less right here. So I'm just going to click on upload, and once I do that, over here you can see on my desktop I got a PNG file right here which is supported. So I'm just going to go around and open this, and you can see that it allows me to customize out the picture. It allows me to crop it right here just like this, as you can see. But in my case, I don't really want to make any changes, so I'm just going to press done. So once I do that, you can see that this is here. So you can go around, change this or remove this according to how you want. Or if you want to, let's say, apply this as your profile picture, you can click on the publish button right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the icon will be published as your channel profile icon. So you can see that it is there. You can click on go to channel. And once you do that, what happens now is you start seeing your channel profile right here, which we just uploaded. And that is how you can change out the channel profile picture from YouTube Studio to change out the profile picture of your YouTube channel. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.